Hi everyone, so I'm here for a new video. Today I'm gonna show my makeup kit. This is a makeup kit where I put the things that I want to be used up already because I don't want them anymore, or like they're already expired, and putting them in this makeup kit makes me actually want to use them more. So yeah, I plan on using these before the year ends, or like
the earlier the better.
let's start with my lip. I have two lip liners that I want to use up already. First is from I'm so sorry, this is actually from Lovely Cosmetics and not from Vice. It was a Christmas gift, so I forgot where it was purchased, but yeah, I now remember it's from Lovely Cosmetics. So it's a bit key for my lips, and yeah, I want to use it up already. It's actually creamy on the lips, but it's just not my shade, so I'm trying to work on it and to use it up. And this one is from Beauty Glaze. It's really affordable. It's a nude one, and the reason why I want to use it up is because it's expired. But accountability, it's already this small, so
I'm almost there.
next is my lipsticks, or liquid lipsticks. This is a lip tint from 3CE. This is also already expired, but I actually really like the shade. It's kind of nude, the shade. See, yeah, it's really nice. It's blendable, and I want to use it because it's already expired. I'm moving on. Here, this is also already expired. It's a dark shade, and I use it on the inner part of my lips. This is the shade. See, it's nice, but it's expired. But it's really nice when you also put it before putting the lip gloss. Like when you prep your lips, it's also nice. Next would be this one in the shade Rust. It's orangey. It's not my shade. I mean, it's too bright for me. See, it's so orange, but I'll try to work it out. So, and I don't want to throw it away because that's such a waste. This one from Mamonde. This is a cream lippy, but I use it as a blush. So I actually have it on right now, and it's really natural, and it's good for my like complexion. But this is guess what, expired. Lip oil from Capellini. This is already, guess what, expired. So I want to use it up, but I'm almost there. Okay, it's already like, expired. Next, and that would be my powder blushes. One is from Miss Lara. I bought this like 2 years ago. It's really compact. It's so small. I like it. And this is how it looks in my skin. This is a very bright pink. See? And this one doesn't show up that much. It's peach and doesn't show up that much on my skin. But it's nice if you have a liquid blush or a cream blush and then you top it off with this one. And then it also has a nice powder highlighter, which is super pigmented. Like it shows up on your skin. So it's really cute mirror that I really like. I want to use it because again, it's expired. So next is a contour stick. Reason why I want to use this up because I accidentally bought two, and oh, it's so nice. It's actually really pigmented and really creamy. See, it's nice. And this is all I have left. So we'll see if
I would be able to use them all up before the year ends.
So moving on to the next, and that would be this contour powder from Pink Flash, and this is their darkest shade, and it's still light on me, and I don't like it. But I can use this as a on my eyelids instead. So yeah, see, it doesn't really show up, so I can just put it on my eyelids on top. I also use this one on my eyelids, so I can top it off with this one. Focal your face. There, so I have this much left. It's still a lot I haven't hit yet, but the shade on this is really nice. Like it really matches my shade, and not a lot of compact powders actually match my shade, and coming from like a Chinese brand, it's nice and affordable. Before I put on lipsticks and lip tints, I use this on my lips. It's the Breen. Actually, this is not old. I bought this like 2 to 3 months ago when I went to Korea. I bought this at Olive Young, and it's really hydrating. Bring Dream. So yeah, put this on my lips before putting on anything, just to hydrate it. Thank you for watching if you're watching, and see you guys in my next update if I've used it up or not. Good luck. Good luck to me in hitting the pan. Bye.